The iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max are Apple's newest high-end iPhones, which were recently revealed. They're constructed of titanium, feature action buttons, and, according to Apple, are the most powerful cell phones the company has ever produced. Starting at $999 for the 15 Pro with 128GB of storage and $1,199 for the Pro Max with 256GB of storage. Both will be on sale on September 22nd and be pre-orderable this Friday. Similar to the new iPhone 15 and 15 Plus, this year's Pro has a 6.1-inch screen, while the Pro Max has a 6.7-inch screen. The A17 Pro processor, which Apple claims offers the fastest performance in any smartphone and can even compete with certain high-end PCs, powers both devices. Apple seems to believe that these devices, together with a revised GPU, are ready to raise the bar for the games you can play on your phone. Naturally, the bottom of both phones has a USB-C port rather than the previous Lightning port. Apple claims that the 15 Pro is the first phone with 10 gigabits per second transfer rates, making it far simpler to download photos, movies, or huge files of any type off your phone. However, in the Pro's case, it may be used for more than just charging. All of that power is contained under a new, tougher casing, which Apple claims to be among of the industry's strongest materials for a phone. Even if it doesn't seem to be much different from what we've seen so far in the video, the change is significant nevertheless. The new devices are available in white, black, blue, and natural hues, and it goes without saying that Apple is quite proud of the intricate engineering involved in making them. You may personalize the action button, a new button that replaces the ringer switch on the left side of the iPhone Pro, to launch shortcuts. Activate the camera's accessibility features, switch on the flashlight, and more. The 15 Pro and Pro Max, according to Apple's marketing head, boast the company's greatest cameras to yet, with the equivalent of 7 different lenses. Included in this is a new 48-megapixel camera with improved low-light performance, less lens flare, and support for full-res HEIF photos taken with Apple's AI technologies. The primary camera now allows you to shoot with several focal lengths, including 24mm, 28mm, and 35mm. The largest optical zoom Apple has ever provided, up to 120mm focal length, is up to 5x. If you have the appropriate cable, you may shoot 4K 60 ProRes video straight from the devices or even via the USB-C port to an external storage. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.